Hey, this is Greg Ryder, CEO of Angel Investors Network, and welcome to Angel Money Marketing Live. I'm here on Main Street America. I'm in downtown Escondido, but this is where it's at. Main Street America, this is where the entrepreneurs have the t-shirt stores, the jewelry stores, the light stores, the wine bars, the high-tech stores upstairs. This is the companies that we support with Angel Investors Network. Now, what we're doing with Angel Money Marketing Live is we're teaching everything marketing. Marketing your business, marketing your vision, and marketing your investment opportunity. There's lots of money out there, there's lots of investors, and they want to support you, the entrepreneur. We want the entrepreneurs to learn how to market their business, market their investment opportunity, and create jobs and stimulate the economy. But we're doing something that no one's done before. We're taking Main Street with Angel Investors Network and our network, our vast network of angel investors and entrepreneurs that are making America great, and we're creating an event, and we've partnered with FSX Interlink, and we're bringing Main Street to Wall Street. So now we're on Wall Street, right? This is where the investment bankers take the entrepreneurs to the next round of financing, the next fund of financing, which is what FSX has been doing for 30 years, bringing investment bankers, broker dealers, registered investment advisors, family offices together to help raise the capital, to create the jobs, stimulate the economy, and create wealth. So again, we're taking the Angel Investors Network, all of our high net worth investors, our entrepreneurs, we're inviting accelerators and incubators and the angel groups in the Dallas, Texas area to merge together with the FSX event and the broker dealers and the investment bankers for the first time in history. This is going to be an event that's going to be the best event of all events. For the entrepreneurs, they're going to have access to investors and capital. Then they're going to graduate from the first 2 days of the event to the next 2 days of the event to see how the big boys really do it, how financing is done at that next $5 million, $10 million, $20 million, $50 million level. Then we're going to allow those investment bankers to come in and see the deal flow, to see what deals are going on. Guess what investment bankers and broker dealers, what they want? They want deal flow. They want to see the next, they want to see the next Facebook. They want to follow you as you graduate to where you're going, and then when you get there, they want to be the guys to give you that next round of financing. So at Angel Money Marketing Live, all the details for the event are below us right now. Below us, you're going to find all the details. You're going to find the agenda. You're going to find that we have Kevin Harrington, one of the original sharks from Shark Tank, coming, and we're going to be doing a Shark Tank event for entrepreneurs. So when you register, if you're ready to pitch and you want to pitch Kevin Harrington and other investors, we're going to give you that opportunity to do a short pitch. We're going to take all the applications, we're going to pick the top 15, and we're going to do a little mini Shark Tank. Then let's say you're a bigger company, you're capital compliant, you got your documents in place, you need to raise $5 or $10 million. On the third day of the event, we're going to have the pitch fest with all the investment bankers, all the broker dealers, and you'll get 15 minutes on stage to present your investment opportunity. So if that's you, you got to let us know. As soon as you sign up your ticket, let us know. We'll see if we have any speaking spots left. Those are going fast because this is a hot event. There's going to be lots of money, lots of deals flowing. At the last event, one of the companies did raise $5 million. Lots of business being done. So we want to make sure that you're having excitement. Now, also, I'm proud to announce that today we got a Wall Street legend to agree to come and speak at our event. His name is Arthur Lipper. Arthur Lipper was the previous editor-in-chief and founder of Venture Magazine. And Venture Magazine was all about helping early-stage companies get their funding and funding private companies. Fantastic guy. Now, in addition to that, he has been on, had a membership on all the major exchanges. I mean, literally, his resume is so long I can't even go through it, but I can tell you this. He invented the Lipper Indexes, which is an index of mutual funds. So anyone that's been around Wall Street and followed stocks and investments for any length of time knows this name. Big time name, big time guy, carries lots of clout, but more importantly, he's going to share with all the entrepreneurs, all the investment bankers, all the broker dealers, how to fund companies, how to raise money for companies without giving up any equity or acquiring debt. He's actually patented this process, and it's going to blow you away. It's, in his opinion, and in my opinion, it's a superior way to finance companies. It's a superior investment vehicle, and it makes sense for a lot of companies raising money. And if you're looking to raise capital and you're worried about negotiating on valuation, you're worried about how you're going to negotiate that valuation, how much of the company you're going to give up, and how much company you're going to end up with, we've got the solution for you. You're going to want to be there. You're going to want to hear Arthur Lipper speak. You're going to want to hear him spill the beans on how you can raise all the money you need without giving up any equity or acquiring any debt, and what that's all about. So very excited about that. We also have some big time people that are again listed below, friends of mine, personal friends of mine, that will be helping MC the event, bringing their connections to the table to the event. We're going to be having panels, and on these panels we're going to discuss everything from accelerators to incubators to angel investors to venture capital, and all this stuff in the above. And then on day 4, we're going to have a panel talking about going from private to public, from public one market to another market, and what we call uplisting. So the idea is that if you want to go from, let's say, NASDAQ to New York Stock Exchange, what does that take? How do you do that? If you want to go from the bulletin board to NASDAQ, what do you do? How do you do that? If you want to go from the American Stock Exchange to NASDAQ, how do you do that? We're going to have a panel of experts that have been doing this for decades, share with all the entrepreneurs, all the small businesses, everybody out there, what that looks like and how that's done. And there's going to be plenty of networking. If you want to be in a room with people that write checks, make investments, and get deals done, take companies public, do mergers and acquisitions, you're coming to the right place. And I was talking to another lady that's going to be at our event, and I love what she said. She said there are billions of dollars in the checking accounts of the average everyday American out there. And if you thought about it, you think all the banks out there, the Wells Fargos, the Bank of Americas, all the banks out there, how much money is sitting in those banks? And how many high net worth investors are there that are looking at Shark Tank going, I'd invest in that deal. They want to invest in deals. There are billions and billions and billions of dollars sitting on the sidelines ready to invest in your deal. You can get all the money you want. You got to be prepared. You got to have your act together. You got to be worthy of money. And then you got to put yourself in the right room. You got to put yourself in the right situation to meet those investors, to shake hands and hands, get to know them belly to belly, face to face. And we are going to provide that venue for you. So breakfast, lunches, you're going to have the opportunity to sit and break bread with actual investors, actual broker-dealers, actual people that run incubators, everything in between, so we can share with the entrepreneurs how to get it done, what they need, and that's what this event's all about. Angel Money Marketing was birthed out in the concept that marketing is everything. An entrepreneur needs to learn how to market their business. They need to learn how to market their product or service. They need to learn how to market their investment opportunity. If you're raising capital, if you need investment capital, first, put yourself in a situation, in a room full of investors. Second, learn how to talk to them, learn the language, learn how to structure, learn how to perfect your presentation, and then get the money. That's what we're going to help you do. Marketing your business, marketing your product or service, and marketing your investment opportunity. And then we're going to set you right next to a high net worth investor, a broker dealer, an investment banker. There's not an event like this in the country. We've been to them all. This is Main Street meets Wall Street. We're merging the two together. We're going to build that relationship, and what we're going to end up doing is creating jobs, stimulating the economy, and creating wealth, as well as helping entrepreneurs succeed, which is our mission. So Main Street meets Wall Street. Welcome to our event. Look at all the information below. Please share this site with somebody you know who can benefit from coming to this event. Post it on your walls, share it on your social media, let everybody know this event will sell out. It's a very small, intimate event. We expect no more than 300 people. We expect about 50% on the investment side and 50% on the entrepreneur side. This event will sell out, so you're going to want to get your tickets booked, and you're going to want to get your hotel rooms booked. Our first night at the hotel is already sold out. This is a hot deal. Lots of stuff happening, lots of excitement around it. And with our Kevin Harrington coming and our Arthur Lipper coming and all our investment bankers coming, you're going to want to get your tickets now. So go ahead, scroll down, click the buttons, reserve your tickets. And we have an amazing guarantee listed below. If you're not happy and you come to the event and you spend the 3.5, 4 days at the event and you experience the whole thing and you say, that wasn't what I was sold, I'm not happy for whatever reason, we're going to give you your money back, because we know we're going to deliver. We know that this is going to be one of the best events you've ever attended, and we're going to deliver the goods, and you're going to be extremely happy. So we have no problem offering that kind of guarantee. And by the way, as a teaching moment, every entrepreneur should be offering guarantees like that. If you can't stand behind your product, if you can't stand behind your service, you shouldn't be selling anything. In America, we must stand behind our product or service, and we do. So on behalf of Del Rey Wanamaker and the FSX team and all of us here at Angel Investors Network, I can't wait to meet you and shake your hand in Dallas, Texas, and help you succeed and create wealth. So go ahead, scroll down, read all the information, get your tickets now, share this with your friends, and we'll see you in Dallas.